GetonAgain GetonAgain Co., Ltd., located in GetonAgain BOD Economic Development Zone. We operate a 15,000 square meters production center and a 2,000 square meters RD center. We serve industries such as apparel, home textiles, furniture, automotive, medical, and military clothing. We provide tailored solutions combining custom non-standard products with mass-produced standard products, including mechatronic machines, automated production lines, and intelligent factory solutions. Intelligent production solutions for upholstered furniture include mattress intelligent production machine, computerized single-needle quilting machine lifting head. The extendable quilting frame can be freely adjusted according to required size. GetonAgain quilting head, independent presser foot drive, suitable for various of material with different thickness. Full servo motor control, providing powerful and accurate driving force. Automatic lifting head, easily change the frame after finishing quilting. Neon quick frame changer optional. Quilting process for home textile products such as quilts, comforters, mattress protector, blanket, sleeping bag, single needle art quilts, etc. Computerized single head quilting machine frame type belt support. High precision process stand ensures stable needle. Hook clearance and longer service lifetime of rotary hook. Extendable quilting frame, able to adjust the desirable size of quilting freely. Specially designed quilting head, presser foot with individual driving, suitable for quilting material of various thickness. Full servo motor control, providing powerful and accurate driving force, greatly improved quilting precision. Automatic thread broken detection function. The machine will stop after thread. Optional automatic bobbin changer. It is suitable for large area quilting and high-quality pattern products, such as furniture upholstery, sofas, headboards, soft beds, conference enclosures, or products with heavier materials, such as gravity quilts, etc. Continuous feeding gantry type single needle quilting machine, suitable for single needle automatic quilting of mattresses, duvets, blankets, mattress protectors, upholstered furniture, and similar products. Fully automated workflow, automatic feeding, material pulling, quilting, and cutting, all completed in one integrated process. Specially designed lift type quilting head with a lifting height up to 100毫米, suitable for quilting materials of various thicknesses, maximum speed of 3000转每分. Continuous feeding gantry type single needle quilting machine double saddle model. Double saddle frame design allows simultaneous quilting of two pieces, doubling quilting efficiency. Full servo motor drive for higher quilting precision. Optional longitudinal cutting device available. Automatic cutting box, standard with cross-cutting device. Computerized multi-head rotary hook quilting machine model E. 5-time jumbo rotary hook, less bobbin changing frequency. Beautiful stitches, no lost stitch, no thread loops. The interval between the upper and lower needle bars can be adjusted to any value from 3 to 9 inches. The lower needle bar can move half a needle pitch in the X direction, so that quilting needle bars of different sizes and patterns can be combined, especially for some non-standard size patterns, which can achieve a unique effect. Computerized multi-head rotary hook quilting machine model N. Double row lock stitch multi-head quilter with large rotary hook. Max speed of 1500 RPM, more than 2 to 3 of normal shuttle quilting machine. Greatly improves work efficiency. 3-fold capacity rotary hook, less bobbin changing frequency. Beautiful stitches, no lost stitch, no thread loops. Computerized multi-needle shuttle quilting machine flying shuttle, for quilting of fitted sheet, bag covers, summer quilts, and clothing products with quilting pattern. Computerized multi-needle chain stitch quilting machine, servo motor driven rollers and lead screws ensure precise quilting patterns, suitable for mattresses, mattress covers, sofas, bedding, home textiles and home decor. Computerized single color single row quilting and embroidery machine model A. Summer quilts, bedspreads, mattress protectors, pillowcases, blankets, garments, car seat covers, car floor mats and furniture upholstery, etc. Equipped with a new high-speed double needle quilting and embroidery machine head with surface coating treatment for parts. Maximum speed 1000 RPM. Recommended operating speed 750 to 850 RPM. Auto flip tip edge machine. Automated transfer table and mattress turnover arm enable the operator working in one position without moving around. Variable speed drive, automatically slow down on turning corner. The machine head can rotate freely to ensure the quality of the sewing stitches. When ready to sew the opposite side, turn over arm unit flip the mattress automatically. Machine head height and inclination are adjustable. Intelligent tabletop overlock planing machine. Equipped with a modified Juki thick material overlock machine head. Newly designed ultra-high lifting presser foot with a lifting height of 35 mm. Machine head can move, making threading and daily cleaning more convenient. Planing thickness 10 mm to 80 mm. Easily switches between thick and thin fabrics sewing. Upholstered punching, sewing equipment. Automatic arbitrary rotary single needle leather sewing machine. Suitable for automated leather pattern sewing in the fields of automotive interiors, car seat covers, car door panels, airplane seats, and leather furniture upholstery. Brand new integrated sewing head design. Simple and elegant overall appearance. 15-inch HD industrial touch control screen. Two sides workbenches designed with a flexible mechanism, reducing size after folding for easier transportation. Sewing head can rotate at any angle, avoiding differences between forward and reverse stitches, improving sewing efficiency and stitch quality. Pneumatic lifting head structure with a stroke of 50 mm, making frame changes and span sewing more convenient. The advantage of an independently driven presser foot system lies in its ability to control presser foot height through real-time pattern programming, effectively addressing uneven presser foot pressure issues when sewing materials of varying thicknesses. Newly upgraded triple lead screw drive for higher dynamic positioning accuracy. Max speed pulse midnight head, 2,500 stitches, min. Automatic template sewing machine rotary head heavy material. Both the X and the Y axis use a screw and slide transmission method, providing high precision and good stability. Suitable for pattern sewing on leather and heavy materials, such as car seats, sofas, massage chairs, boat interiors, and aircraft seats. The machine head can rotate freely to ensure the quality of the sewing stitches. Automatic high-speed leather perforating machine per. Punching processing of leather or microfiber leather with various types and different thickness, such as car seats, aviation seats, shoes, bags and furniture, etc. Full-scale 3-dimensional protective design ensures safer operation. The punch toolbox is tightened to prolong the punch tool's spring's service life and reduce part wear. The XY axis uses a ball screw direct drive for high-precision punching. The surface of key punching parts is strengthened to resist impact and fatigue, meeting the needs of high-intensity work. Single-head machines can make up to 2000 oz per minute, and double-head ones up to 4000. Fully automatic perforation and sewing integrated machine. Punching machine head is specifically designed and developed for leather materials, equipped with various round punching tools specifications. Sewing head up moving stroke in 50 mm, providing sufficient space for material loading and easy operation. Suitable for perforation and sewing processes of various types and thicknesses of genuine leather and microfiber leather used in car seats, automotive interiors, aircraft seats, luggage, furniture, and more. Fully automatic embroidery and sewing integrated machine. 9-color embroidery machine head to meet the embroidery needs of different industries. The embroidery thread clamping mechanism incorporates a novel upper thread clamping assembly, effectively reducing thread breakage and slippage occurrences during operation. Specially designed sewing machine head for leather materials, producing beautiful stitching. Presser foot height is motor controlled and highly adjustable. Sewing machine head has up-down moving stroke of 50 mm, providing ample space for material loading and ease of operation. Suitable for various types and thicknesses of genuine leather and microfiber leather for automotive seats, car interiors, aviation seats, luggage, furniture, etc., combining embroidery and sewing processes. Fully automatic perforation round hole 加 embroidery 加 sewing rotating head machine. Integrates punching, embroidery, and sewing into one machine, allowing for arbitrary pattern, design and seamless combinations of punching, embroidery, and sewing for complex processes. The 9-color embroidery head meet the embroidery needs of various industries. Sewing machine head features an arbitrary rotation structure, creating beautiful stitching, reducing frame movement frequency, and improving efficiency. Suitable for punching 加 embroidering 加 sewing processes for various types and thicknesses of genuine leather and microfiber leather used in automotive seats, car interiors, aviation seats, luggage and furniture, etc. Fully automatic round perforation and dual-color embroidery and fixed head sewing machine Super M integrates punching, embroidery, and sewing into one machine, allowing for arbitrary pattern, design and seamless combinations of punching, embroidery, and sewing for complex processes. The 9-color embroidery head meet the embroidery needs of various industries. Sewing machine head features an arbitrary rotation structure, creating beautiful stitching, reducing frame movement frequency, and improving efficiency. Suitable for punching embroidering sewing processes for various types and thicknesses of genuine leather and microfiber leather used in automotive seats, car interiors, aviation seats, luggage and furniture, etc. Fully automatic perforation special hole and embroidery and sewing rotating head machine. Integrates punching, embroidery, and sewing into one machine, allowing for arbitrary pattern, design and seamless combinations of punching, embroidery, and sewing for complex processes. Specially developed punching machine head for leather materials. The 9-color embroidery head meet the embroidery needs of various industries. Sewing machine head features an arbitrary rotation structure, creating beautiful stitching, reducing frame movement frequency, and improving efficiency. Suitable for punching embroidering sewing processes for various types and thicknesses of genuine leather and microfiber leather used in automotive seats, car interiors, aviation seats, luggage and furniture, etc. Cushion tufting machine. Multi-hole bar tacking machine. Press arm and sewing frame work synchronously. Ensure high precision bar tacking. Suitable for chair pad, cushion and pillow, all those with fillings, and bar tacking requirement for reinforcing sewing work. Mattress protector machine. Multi-needle quilting machine, flying shuttle and cutting machine and 4-side tape binding machine production line. Multi-needle quilting machine. The raw materials are quilted and fixed lock stitches, mainly used to process quilt cores and cushions. Cutting machine. Cut the quilted semi-finished materials, including trimming, fixed length cutting, slitting and rolling and other functions. Alignment platform. Material transfer alignment mechanism. The cutting block waits to enter the next sequence on this platform, and at the same time, the cutting block is aligned with the subsequent reference processing position by translation. Automatic tape binding machine. The cutting piece is processed by the tape binding machine. Make the edge of the cut piece beautiful. The machine rounded corner tape binding process. The cutting and tape binding are integrated, and all actions are completed automatically. Automatic mattress protector skirting sewing machine interlock and overlock. Suitable for processing fitted sheets, all in one to finish binding stitching of elastic rope cord and bed skirt, and the overlocking of bed skirt to mattress protector topper layer. Spreading cutting machine. Automatic spreading machine. Easily set the spreading method, length, speed, quantity and sections, with intuitive as well as simple operation. Dual use for both knit and woven fabrics. Suitable for t-shirts, children's clothing, loungewear, and toy textiles. Automatic multi-layer cutting machine. Through the combination of micron-level intelligent sensing components and an intelligent control system, dynamic compensation and correction of cutter deformation during cutting operations are achieved, significantly reduces errors between the top and bottom layers of fabric during cutting, enabling truly high-precision intelligent cutting. Automatic single-layer cutting machine. No need to create specialized cutting molds. Cutting can be performed precisely by directly importing CAD design drawings into the equipment. Optimizes cutting paths, integrates repeated cutting lines, allows for pre-simulation of the cutting process, and supports continuous cutting for extra-long materials. Ultrasonic slitting machine. Adopted ultrasonic cutting technology. Ensures smooth cutting edges, precision edge cutting, no deformation, for free without freeing, no fiber pull, and no edge curling problem after cutting. Cutting rollers and patterns can be customized to meet various needs. Fully automatic large format laser cutting machine with inkjet device. Large format automatic feeding system, designed to meet the requirements for feeding and cutting whole rolls of fabric. Inkjet and cutting functions, integrated for enhanced versatility. Applicable to industries such as custom clothing, single-piece cutting, sofas, toys, footwear and headwear, textile print pattern positioning cutting, automotive interiors, industrial filtration, and advertising, etc. Precision single head cap, tubular embroidery machine, pattern rotation and proportional scaling. Patterns can be scaled up or down in 1% increments, ranging from 50% to 200%. and rotated in 1 degrees increments, with a rotation range from 0 degrees to 89 degrees. Precision to head cap, tubular embroidery machine. Equipped with automatic color changing, automatic thread trimming by motor, servo motor thread hooking, and automatic thread broken detection. Blue head flat embroidery machine. Used for high-end customization of clothing, bags, shoes, hats, toys, and other products. Computerized embroidery machine. High-speed embroidery heads with extremely low failure rates, long service life, low noise, and stable, reliable quality. Equipped with an upper thread clamping device to prevent thread detachment and breakage, ensuring excellent embroidery results. Suitable for textile and garment manufacturing, footwear, hats, bags, home decoration, automotive interiors, and industrial products area. Multi-head tubular embroidery machine multi-head series. Suitable for embroidering on flat, caps, garments, shoes, belts, bags, etc. Auto thread framers, auto color chain, auto thread break detection 270 degrees wide angle cap system, red light locating, LED lighting, precise head and drive system to ensure exquisite embroidery work. Drop tables, easy to lift up and down. Multiple heads greatly improves work efficiency, suitable for embroidery shops and factories of a certain scale. Mixed chenille chain stitch embroidery machine. Mixed embroidery feature, according to color sequence settings, switchable between chenille embroidery, flat embroidery, simplified operation. Chenille needle height can be adjusted for 10 levels according to chenille pile height or chain stitch thread thickness to chenille pile height or chain stitch thread thickness. Multifunctional embroidery on garment, shoes, caps, home textile, toys, bags and luggage, art craft, etc. Computerized 5-in-1 embroidery machine, integrated 5 functions in one machine, flat embroidery, cording, tape cording embroidery, chenille, chain stitch embroidery, double sequin device, laser cutting function, high precision, strong stereo sense, ideal artistic effect, suitable for embroidery of apparel, home textile, furniture, teaching, design and arts and crafts, etc. Computerized mixed embroidery machine, multifunctional integration, flat embroidery, cording embroidery, chenille, chain stitch embroidery, sequin embroidery, and laser embroidery. Expandable options, supports additional modules such as laser process, trace cording embroidery, beadwork, and sequin embroidery for extended functionality. Applications, suitable for embroidery on garments, home textiles, home decor, education areas, RD, and arts crafts products. Pattern room. Digitizer. Easily reading paper patterns, convenient positioning, simple operation, accurately reading patterns, enabled to speed up the design. It is a powerful tool for traditional manual drawing digitization. Digitizer can be used in various fields, such as clothing industry, fashion design, surveying and mapping, mining, stamping and environmental protection, etc. Flatbed scanning digitizer. One button to start after placing scanning pieces, can vacuum adsorption auto scanning auto transmission, according to different models, support ultra-long width scanning, scanning speed up to 7,200 mm minute, scanning resolution 150 to 300 dpi, high definition panoramic 1-to-1 image to ensure effective identification of various contours, notches, inner holes. Magic Inkjet Plotter. 2 cartridge with maximum printing speed at 110 square meters per hour. 4 cartridge with maximum printing speed at 200 square meters per hour. Vertical inkjet cutting plotter. 1 machine multiple functions. Pattern drawing with cutting or standalone drawing. High quality rotary cutting knife can cut min 80 grams per square meter paper for sample design. Cost saving. Flatbed inkjet cutting plotter. Both bitmap printing and cutting function. Suitable for personalization, configured long knife or short knife, and optional fixed knife sleeve or elastic knife sleeve, suitable for cutting various materials. Industrial sewing machines include various overlock and lock stitch machine. Mattress planing machine, equipped with a Juki machine head from Japan and a double bar twin needle design. Easily switches between thick and thin fabrics sewing. Planing thickness 10 mm to 70 mm. Easily switches between thick and thin fabrics sewing. Max speed 3000 revolutions per minute RPM. Planing width 25 mm. High-speed mattress planing machine. Effortless switching between thick and thin fabrics sewing. Synchronized feeding pressure foot structure provides excellent feeding capability. enabling ultra-thick fabrics that standard machine heads cannot sew to pass through smoothly. Flanning thickness 10 to 90 mm. Automatic lubrication and cooling system for the synchronized feeding structure. Max speed 4000 revolutions per minute. Flanning width 15 mm, 25 mm, 30 mm. Long arm repairing machine. This machine is mainly used for the applique work of mattress crepe fabric. The upper and lower shafts of the machine are of integral structure, and the servo motor of Taiwan is used to automatically position the needle. The new pressurized foot is equipped with a needle bar lifting device to make the thick fabric complement more convenient and beautiful. Long arm label sewing machine. Adopted connecting rod thread pickup. Large rotary hook, needle bar, swinging up and down feeding simultaneously, forming zigzag lock stitch. Reasonable swing mechanism makes switching between zigzag sewing and normal lock stitch easily and freely. Upper and lower synchronous feeding structure makes it easy to operate, with good sewing effect and beautiful stitches. Heavy-duty mattress flanning machine. Innovative drive mechanism ensures more convenient and powerful sewing performance. Adjustable stitch length of 4.5 to 6 stitches per inch. Easily switches between thick and thin fabrics sewing. Capable of overlocking extra thick mattress fabrics ranging from 10 mm to 90 mm. Maximum sewing speed reaches up to 4500 stitches per minute. Overlocking width is 25 mm. Semi-automatic mattress tape edge machine. Primarily designed for sewing spring mattresses, this machine efficiently completes edge overlocking between mattress fabric and sidewall fabric. It is also suitable for sewing other types of mattresses and sofa cushions. Key features include an electrically adjustable work table with high strength, independent support, ensuring exceptional stability during operation. Flat tip edge machine, mainly used for stitching between mattress fabric and side border. Suitable for sewing other soft mattresses, bedding, sleeping bags, and tents. Stable performance, little vibration, low noisy, and high efficiency. CAD software. GetonAgain Garment CAD V2024.1. Super Nest. Server Super Nest. GetonAgain Auto Sew CAD V2023.1. GetonAgain M CAD V1.0. Cutting plan. In addition, GetonAgain has developed a digital operation and management system for industries such as garment processing and machinery manufacturing. This system helps customers improve production efficiency and management levels. Its features can be summarized as the four ones: 1 industrial enterprise, 1 technology platform, 1 data standard, and 1 operating system. It is the optimal choice for enterprises to achieve digital transformation and intelligent upgrading. Furthermore, by integrating Internet and IoT technologies, the company has developed an enterprise operating condition IoT management system, which enables the interconnection of all equipment, products, energy consumption, environment, and security within the enterprise. This system interacts seamlessly with the enterprise digital operation and management system, building a multifunctional integrated platform for enterprises. It enables functions such as data collection, real-time monitoring, data analysis, and remote management.